So guys, I'm on the other side of the Big Wave Bay, and this is the first time that I can see a shallow sandbar. Haven't seen this in Hong Kong times, only this time. So this is actually frequented by expats, whites, and a lot of tourists. But it's might be quite quiet today because it's a regular working day. But you can see a lot of people still coming here. Actually, the water is nice. It's clear. Water is clear. It's not so polluted as the other beaches. You can still see the fishes around the water. It's good to have this kind of areas here. They have tide pools. Little bit of a tide pool. And the view is amazing. Okay. So it's quite awesome to look at this place, to be at this place. This is my first time here. I haven't been here for so many times that I'm here in Hong Kong. This is my first time to be here in this Big Wave Bay. They call this the Big Wave Bay. But right now the waves are not big because it's summer. Usually the waves comes around September, October. So it's nice. Guys, showing you this nice place.